believe the room I got versus what I thought I'd booked. This is an incredible deal. I'm on board the Star Princess, and I booked an ocean view room thinking I was just going to get some normal ocean view room. Was I sadly mistaken, because I'm in room 6203, which is on the starboard side, and it's going to be almost completely forward on the ship, which for me is fine because this is just a 3-night Bahamas cruise. But this stateroom is massive. What I really think is cool is this little seating area right by the ocean view window, that where is also the life jackets are kept. That is one thing I think is really cool about this room. Also, look at the size of this couch. Like, I'm pretty sure you can easily sleep at least 3 people in here, because we also have the queen bed, of course, and that does split into 2 twins if you want to share with a bunch of friends or whatever. And of course, we got a very large TV right at the foot of the bed. So, I mean, if you want to have a movie experience, there it is. I think that would be perfect for like transatlantic cruises. But of course, also in this room, you will find a mini fridge, which is all the way down here. A nice desk with lots of power outlets. You got 2 USBs, 2 USB-Cs, 2 American outlets, and a European outlet, all right here at the desk. So plenty of storage here as well. You have a drawer over here and 2 drawers here in the desk. Now, one thing that's going to be important is storage in a cabin, especially if you got up to like 3 people in here. But of course, you got little nightstands where you can store things as well. And then also over here, we got a large closet space, which right now I'm hiding all my luggage in because it doesn't make for a pretty video. But over here, we have a couple deep drawers that way you can store lots of stuff. A couple shelves right here. And then, if I figure out how to open it, we have, of course, the safe. We have lots of closet space. And creaky doors on a brand new cruise ship. Another important thing that I sometimes get asked, who's got a comfortable bed? I haven't even laid on this thing yet. I've been in this room for like an hour and a half. But lots of pillows, and oh my, this bed is incredibly comfortable. It just formed around my body. I completely think I can take a nap right now. This thing is incredibly comfortable, and it's got more pillows than your mom's bed. Like, I don't know what's going on here. I'm not this decorative. I tell you one thing, the La Quinta I stayed at last night didn't have this many pillows. However, if I can get out of this thing, because it's way comfortable, let's go to the bathroom and check it out. And over here in the bathroom, we have, first we have a toilet right there. We have a standard sink. But here's what I really like about this room. A lot of cruise lines have a teeny tiny shower. Not on Princess Star. Well, Star Princess. On this ship, you have a full glass walk-in shower. I think it's actually acrylic, but close enough. And I'm 6'2", 290 pounds, and I got room in this thing. So one thing that's cool is you can adjust the water pressure and the water temperature in the shower. And another thing, they don't give you just one universal soap to wash your hair, your body, everything with. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner all available to you. That is one thing that is just completely fantastic. And then out here, you also have hand soap, and you also have body lotion. That is something I don't think I've seen on many cruises. So if you've seen it on your cruise, let me know in the comments down below, because I don't remember seeing it on any ships yet. Now, however, I haven't sailed some of the really nice ships, but maybe that's why. So as we're walking around the room, you see even more outlets. Over here, we got another USB, USB-C, and a standard US outlet. Over here on the other side of the bed, we have the same thing. So there are tons of outlets. There's little reading lamps right above the little table there. So you have plenty of lighting. This room just feels massive and spacious. It feels like this could be a suite, but I'm pretty basic. Little things are that much cooler to me. Like, to be honest with you, a nice sea day and just sitting here reading a book or watching waves go by. I could totally do this. Like, this is completely awesome. Of course, today we're boarding the ship, so not a lot of sea to sea. Not here, no. Lots of people though. Lots and lots of people. So we'll go over here to the couch and test it out. I am curious, is this a sleeper couch? Let's find out together. Ooh, pretty comfortable. It feels like the back does fold down and can be slept on. Let's investigate. So I'm gonna be quite honest with you. The back wiggled, so I thought it might like lay down. No, they didn't quite put it together all the way. There's no nuts on the studs that go through the back of the couch. My fault. I may have to put this together. Sorry, princess. Please don't get mad at me. But yeah. I'll put it back together. Okay, so after we played with the couch for a little bit, it's good as new-ish. Would recommend somebody put some locking nuts or something on that thing. Still wobbly. I don't know if they bought that from IKEA, but that's almost exactly how my couch at home is built. However, if you found this video helpful or informational, definitely hit that subscribe button. It helps the channel out. So from on board the Star Princess for its first U.S. sailing, in a small world, travels large.